Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a girl eating a cookie. I think this picture is going to turn out really cute when it's finished. But before we get started drawing, I'm going to remind you folks to like and subscribe, and feel free to comment. It really helps out the channel a lot. Alright, so I'm going to start by sketching everything out with my pencil. I am going to draw kind of a soft triangle shape. So this is going to be her hair. Okay, and so it's very soft. It's not a full triangle. And see how we have the edges are rounded. They're not like pointy like a triangle would be. And I'm going to give her some bangs. So I'm going to give her a swoopy bang here. And now I'm going to come in and give her her face shape. So I'm going to give her rounded cheeks. Okay, and now I'm going to continue on here because I'm going to give her pigtails. So that's why I'm curving in this part of the hair. All right, so she is going to be eating a really yummy cookie. So her eyes are going to be like the shape of rainbows. She's going to be like, oh yeah, this cookie is super good. I'm going to give her little eyelashes and a little U-shaped nose. And her mouth is going to be huge. It's going to be a real big mouth. Kind of the shape of like a bean. Okay, it's a bit of a funny shape. And then inside her mouth, we got like a hill. That's going to be her tongue. And I'm going to give her little ovals here for little blushy marks. Okay, now I'm going to draw the cookie. So she's already got a bite taken out of it. So I'm going to draw a U shape here. She's got a big bite taken out of it. And it's a great big cookie. So great big circle shape. And we're going to erase a little bit of this after because we got to make room for her hands. That's okay. Now her neck is coming on here. And then her, oh, we're going to finish her pigtails. So we're going to give her little, like a little loop here. This is going to be her hair ties. And then give it almost like a little teardrop shape. Like an upside down teardrop. Like that. Upside down teardrop. And same on the other side. Okay. Now, we're going to do her shoulders poking out. So a line there and a line there. And here is where her hands are. She's holding on to the cookie with both hands. So it's okay. We're going to erase that cookie line so it's not so messy looking. So one hand here. Her elbow is coming down. Her elbow's right here. And we're going to connect it to her shoulder. And then over here we're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to erase a little bit of the cookie here so we got room for her hand. And coming on down. And then the shoulder is coming on down. And we're going to connect the elbow. Okay, and I'm going to give her a line right here and a line right here. And give her a little shirt sleeve, so she's wearing a t-shirt. Okay, and I'm going to put a line right here, straight across, so it's like she's sitting at a table. She's got her elbows on the table. Okay, and then I'm going to do all kinds of these little chocolate chips in our cookie. Well, her cookie. And she thinks it's super yummy, so we're going to give it a little heart. A few hearts here. A few hearts all over the place. Okay, so I'm going to sketch it all out with my, sorry, it's already sketched out. I'm going to draw over it with my black marker. All right, so now once I get it all drawn out with my black marker, I'm going to erase all the pencil lines. All right, so now it's time to color everything in. Now you don't have to use the same colors I'm using. You can use whatever colors you want. It's all up to you. Also, feel free to let me know in the comments below what kind of cookies you like. Are you a chocolate chip cookie fan? Do you like Oreo cookies? Or whatever cookies? There's no bad cookie. She's gonna have a great big red tongue. And I'm gonna do the hearts this color red too. But like I said before, you can choose whatever colors you want. You don't have to color it the same way I'm doing it. And maybe if you're drawing this, maybe she's not eating a cookie, maybe she's eating a burger, because that could be the same kind of shape as well. Alright everyone, so we are done our picture of a girl eating a cookie. I think it turned out pretty cute. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of today's Daily Doodle, And also please let me know in the comments below what you would like to see for the next Daily Doodle. I hope you all had fun drawing. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you here next time. Bye everybody!